Welcome back to my channel once again. This is Plant Lifestyles. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video. We have a lot of videos to be uploaded on this channel every day, and then teaching herbs, plants, and then their spiritual and physical uses. And today I'm going to talk about how to make someone stop smoking. Yes, the smoking depends on the kind of substance the person is smoking, but they all have one solution. So I'm going to dive into it. So subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share to your friends. See you in the next video, because you are going to subscribe to this channel after watching this video, or even before watching this video. I'll see you the next video to be uploaded, and you'll be notified once you subscribe to the channel. Yes, let's dive into the video. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to I've talked about how to make someone stop drinking alcohol or alcoholism in my previous videos, and today I'm going to talk about how to make someone stop smoking, ranging from all kinds of substance being smoked or what. So that's what we are going to do. So if someone is smoking and you want a person to stop, that's what we are going to do. You see this is what you see, sardine. Yes, this is sardine, and this is what we are going to need. Yes, the ingredient we are going to use is the sardine. Okay, so once you get the sardine, this is what we are going to do. We are going to get a bowl, like a small bowl, and then you fill it with water, small amount of water. Even the bowl can be like this, or anything which is even smaller like this. You can use any container like this, like the sardine container. You can use it like this container. You can use it for that is what I'm talking about. It's not necessary you need plenty water, a small amount of water. Yes, once you get a small amount of water, you are going to open this sardine. You see, so I'm going to open this one. Open this. After you have your container and then your water is in, you are going to open the sardine. You are going to open it like this. Once you open it, there is an oil substance at the, let me bring it closer to the easy. I can't tilt it, and then you see, let me pour some amount. You see, this oil I'm talking about. Yes, this is the oil I'm talking about. This is what we are going to use. We are going to pour some. Even you can pour all the oil on the surface of this sardine. So we are going to, any sardine type is what okay for this practice I'm telling you, or I'm teaching you. We are just going to pour it in the bowl that is containing the water. So once you pour it in, it is going to float on the surface of the water. Yes, this is what we are going to do. If the person is smoking cigarettes, you are going to buy cigarettes. Anything the person is smoking, you have to get that same kind of substance to do this. Yes, once you get the cigarettes, you are going to get two. Okay, you are going to open the first one and pour the substance into the mixture of the sardine liquid and the water. You are going to pour it in. Let it stand for about 1 to 2 hours for the reaction to take place. Once the reaction takes place, the leftover one, I'm using cigarette for example, you are going to dip. You see where they light the cigarette, where at the tip where they light it, you are going to dip it. You are not going to dip the area where they put in their mouth. No, you are going to dip the tip. You are going to dip it into the mixture. Yes, for about 5 minutes. Just hold it for about 5 minutes. Even 5 minutes is enough. Yeah, 5 minutes is enough. Even just 1 minute for the water and then the sardine oil to absorb into the cigarette. Then remove it. Place it in the sun or at any heat source to dry it nicely. Dry it nicely. Give it to someone who smoke. Let the person smoke that kind of cigarette. You are going to thank me later. That person going to vomit, like vomit massively by doing that. Yes, because I don't know how to describe. The person is going to vomit, and once he vomits after taking that cigarette, unless Satan's come into the life of that person again, that person, either spiritual or physical appetite, that person is not going to take cigarette again. I know you are going to testify this. Yes, please subscribe to the channel. In fact, on this channel, we are going to learn things to better our lives, things to make our life improve using herbs, some simple things, some simple ingredients in the house, some few things in the house. Yes, the other way to also stop it using African basil leaf. Instead of even pouring the kind of substance the person smokes, you can just, let me use this. This one is for those who personally want to stop and they are doing this practice themselves. It's for those who want to stop for themselves, not doing it for someone, like for yourself. Example, like if I smoke and I want to stop, I'm going to get this seedling, get the African basil or the scent leaf or the basil or the basil or how it is being called. The seed, the dry one. Yes, we are going to get a dry seed. Once you get a dry seed, you are going to roll it in a paper. Then you are going to pour the liquid substance in the hole between the paper, that is the raw paper with the African basil seed. Then you are going to light the end, one end of it, and then start the smoke journey. Once you take once, twice, the third time, the fourth time, you see that it starts to create some kind of nausea for you to vomit, and then you are not going to take it again. Yes, even if you hear the sound, like if you smell, not here, if you smell the scent of cigarette, you are not going to pass by that area. Yes, you smell the scent of cigarette, you are not even going to cross that area. You run away from them. Yes, thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel. This is Plant Lifestyles. Like the video, share the video to the smokers who want to stop. They've tried a lot of things and then they are not able to stop. Send this video to them. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video. And then next time, we are going to learn what is more than this. Thank you for watching.